Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. Teresa with Critters Crochet. It is Thursday, and so I'm starting a new series called Throwback Thursday, where I get some of my older books, crochet books, that have vintage crochet. I found out that 80s is now considered vintage, so yay. Uh, so I got my work basket magazines out and was looking through them, and let me finish this stitch. I'm adding more rows onto this subscriber blanket so I can get it finished, because y'all were 22 away from hitting 2000. 22. So I need to get this blanket done. But I wanted to show you, I pulled out this one, Romantic Crochet. It's a book that I found at Thrift Books, and it's by Rhoda Robertson. And in this, I found this little thing. I think they're so stinking cute. I'm going to show it to you. It's a key fob or a scissor fob. You can use it either one. Um, Let me see if the other pictures, but yeah, I like this one better. It's either a key or a scissor fob. Aren't those pretty? And what I did is I used the Hirschner's Cottage Cotton in the white. I think they call it, yeah, the chiffon is what they call it. It's color number 0007 chiffon. And I put it on a larger, just to see how it would work. I put it on a larger key, but I'm probably going to move it over to my larger scissors, but I'm probably going to move it over to a smaller pair of scissors, instead of keeping it on this one. It needs to be blocked a little bit, but I still think it's cute anyway. So here we go. There is mine. And you're supposed to put, I didn't do it with this one because I don't think it needs it. But you're supposed to take, you can take like a piece of cardboard or something like that, and then put some cotton batting, and then add some fabric around that and put it on the inside to kind of give it, some form, I guess, would help it to form better. But I just left it like it is. And it's really neat how it hooks on. It just goes through. You have your chain right here, and you just put it through the handle, reach in and grab that part, the square, pull it through, and then just pull it tight, and it hangs right there. And I think it would be neat, especially with a smaller pair of scissors. I think what would be fun is to put a little pin clasp on the back, and you could pin it right here, and then and then you always have your scissors, and you could put your little tapestry needle in here to have your needle and scissors right there handy while you're working. I think that's what I'm going to use it for, but I'm going to put a smaller pair of scissors on there. So I have a bunch of my work baskets magazines here, and my vintage books are over there on the shelf. And so for Thursdays, for my Throwback Thursdays, my plan is to work a pattern out of one of those books or one of the work baskets, and then share with you the pattern, share the project that I made with that. So that's what I'm planning on doing for Thursdays now. This Thursday, well, tomorrow, I was supposed to be going live with Shannon. She's going to go live with another content creator, and if you watch her channel, you'll know who that is. Um, but I am going to be out of town. We had planned our live, and then I realized, no, I'm not. I'm going to be out of town with my daughter. So I'm not going to be able to do the live this week. So Shannon has contacted another content creator, and they're going to do the live together. And so make sure you catch their live tomorrow night on Shannon's channel. Let's see. I don't know that I'm going to have a video Friday, because actually, you're watching this. I'm recording this on Wednesday. You're watching it on Thursday. So Um, Wednesday is when I left out for Pigeon Forge with, or to go to my daughter's, and we left out this morning for Pigeon Forge. So, and I'm going to be over there with her. I'm going to be there with her all weekend. So, I'm thinking probably what's going to happen is, um, yeah, what's going to happen with that is I'm probably going to be possibly putting up a short video. I'll put up a video on the shorts, maybe some pictures on posts, and just to let y'all know what we're doing. Um, that day we'll probably Thursday's probably going to be, excuse me, it's a 6-hour drive for us to get to Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge. And so once we get there, we'll have to go to the cab. We'll probably go straight to the cabin and get everything unpacked and get settled in. And I don't know what they have planned for Thursday night. Probably go get something to eat, maybe do a little shopping, uh, whatever. But like I said, Friday will probably, you won't see a video, but you'll probably see a short of some kind on Friday. So be watching for that. And then I'll be back here on Monday. So uh, let me know in the comments, guys, what you think about what I'm doing for Thursdays. Um, let me know what you think on that, if you think that's a good idea. And yeah, I'm going to, if you've got any ideas for something I could crochet that's a throwback from like 80s, 70s, 60s, 50s, that direction, let me know and I'll see if I can find a pattern or I'll see if I can work something up. So I've still got some packing to do. I want to run down to one of the consignment shops because we have, let's see, uh, Thursday while we're there. I think I'm saying this right. Thursday we have to wear blue. Friday wear purple, and then Saturday is sparkle day. So we have to wear sparkly stuff. And I already have stuff from last year that I wore that sparkles, but Walmart had a sparkly white and silver glittery cowboy hat for like $2. So I bought it and I'm wearing that cowboy hat. So for our sparkle night. So I want to run down to one of our consignment shops and see. I still need. I want to find something. I've got something purple, but I want to just go and see what else they have that maybe I could put in there with it. So I'm gonna go do that. And then my mom wants to see me before I head out for my trip. So I'm probably going to go over to her house around noon and see if she wants to go get something to eat for lunch. Um, and we're going to go eat lunch. I'll take her back home, and then I'm going to pack up and head to my daughter's house because where my daughter lives, they have a Hobby Lobby. And yes, I have all this yarn, but I don't have the right one for a project that I want to do. You guys know what I'm talking about. You can have 100 gazillion skeins of yarn, and then it's a baby blanket that I need to make for a shower, and I don't have the right colors. So I've got to go to Hobby Lobby and get the right colors. So you guys understand that. So I'm going to leave a little early to where I can go to Hobby Lobby and get what I want before I go to their house and meet up with them. So lots going on today, and I cannot wait to see my grandsons tonight. Oh, I could just eat them up. I can't wait to have some time with them. And so I'm going to get off of here. I'm going to finish up the rows. I've got 4 more rows to do, and then I'm going to start doing the border because we're so close that I'm afraid if I don't stop with this and go ahead and get the border, I'm not going to have this blanket done by the time we go live to do the giveaway. So I've got 4 more rows to go, and then I'm going to put this envelope border on this thing and get it ready. And I'll probably Friday, one of the Friday shorts. I don't know if I'll get it done by Friday or not, because probably not. because this is just too big of a project to take with me in the car. But when I get back on Monday, I'm going to finish it up. And I'm really, really hoping, guys, 22. That is so close. I would think that by the end of the weekend, by the time Monday gets here, I will have gotten there. Our channel will have gotten there. So share this out. Let's get the last 22 so that we can do our big celebration party. I can do the giveaway for this blanket and for the box of goodies that I've got back here. And we can just have some fun and celebrate. So I'm going to get off of here, get these last few rows done in this blanket, and go pick up my mom. And I've still got to pack for the trip. I haven't even packed my suitcase yet. So I will talk to you guys later. Love you lots. Thank you for all your support for Critters Crochet. And I will see you on Monday. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.